ओके। सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मधुबनी पेंटिंग के बारे में और मंजूषा पेंटिंग के बारे में। तो ये मधुबनी पेंटिंग और मंजूषा पेंटिंग बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आर्ट एंड कल्चर में एक टॉपिक होता है फॉर बीपीएससी मीन्स। तो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स डीप डाइव इनटू द टॉपिक। मधुबनी पेंटिंग के अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसका इंट्रोडक्शन, इसका फीचर एंड देन इसका करंट सिनेरियो भी डिस्कस करेंगे कि अभी करेंटली इसका क्या चल रहा है, और फिर कंक्लूजन के बारे में भी बात करेंगे कि क्या क्या इसका कंक्लूजन में लिख सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले मधुबनी पेंटिंग हैज़ अ प्लेस इन द ग्लोरियस एंड रिच आर्ट एंड कल्चर ऑफ बिहार। ठीक है। इन द एरिया ऑफ मिथिलांचल, दरभंगा, मधुबनी, कटिहार डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड जनकपुर, द folk art painting style prevalent with the participation of women is called Madhubani painting. So the point to be noted here is participation of women. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर। इसमें पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वुमेन देखने को मिलता है जिसे मधुबनी पेंटिंग कहते हैं। यूज़ ऑफ नेचुरल कलर इन इट is also a proof of sensitive towards the environment. The credit of bringing this in front of world goes to W.C. Archer. Just remember, sub-divisional officer of Darbhanga district. W.B. Archer. Just remember this name because with the help of just because of the support of this W.C. Archer, this painting came into the light due to the originality and uniqueness of folk art. Madhubani painting has gone beyond its local and geographical boundaries and has become popular at national and international levels. ठीक है, इसके फीचर्स के बारे में थोड़ा बात कर लेते हैं। तो इसमें बेसिकली 3 टाइप्स आर अवेलेबल। फर्स्ट इज़ मुराल। अंडर दिस द डेकोरेशन ऑफ द हाउस इज़ डन थ्रू रिलीजियस पिक्चर्स लाइक राधा कृष्णा, शिव पार्वती एंड लक्ष्मी विष्णु। मुराल पेंटिंग में बेसिकली डेकोरेशन ऑफ हाउस देखने को मिलता है with the pictures of Hindu goddess like Radha Krishna, Shiv Parvati and Lakshmi Vishnu. In another form, murals are also written on the wall of the inner rooms, kohbar at the corner. ठीक है, तो मुराल कोहबर में भी दिखने को मिलते हैं हम पे। देयर आर also pictures of animal and birds here like lion symbol of power, elephant, horse is symbol of opulence, sun and moon are symbol of longevity. Aripan. The first type is mural, second is Aripan. This is made by women in front of the courtyard or doorstep of the house. घर के बाहर या घर के आंगन में बनाई जाती है ये वाली पेंटिंग। In this pictures are made by mixing ground rice, water and different color. So इसमें क्या करते हैं बेसिकली अरिपन में कि चावल के दाने को लेके इसके डिफरेंट कलर के साथ मिक्स करके चावल को डिफरेंट टाइप्स को कलरिंग कर लेते हैं एंड देन वी यूज़ दैट कलर्ड राइस टू मेक दिस पेंटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कोर्टयार्ड या डोर स्टेप ऑफ द हाउस। पट्टा चित्रा भी होता है। पट्टा चित्रा इन दिस अ पर्सन इज पोर्ट्रेड विद अ फोकस इन हिज फिजिकल ब्यूटी इंस्टेड ऑफ मेयरली हाईलाइटिंग हिज फीचर। दिस पेंटिंग इज मेनली डन विद द फिंगर और बॉम्बू ब्रशेस एंड नेचुरल कलर्स आर यूज्ड पट्टा चित्रा में। अदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या क्या होते हैं? ओनली सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म ऑफ द डिपिक्टेड ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर गिवन। पिक्चर्स आर मेनली मेड ऑन वॉल्स। यहाँ पे मेनली वॉल्स पे बनाई जाती है पिक्चर, बट रिसेंटली ड्यू टू कमर्शलाइजेशन द सेंस ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन पेंटिंग हैव स्टार्टेड बीइंग मेड ऑन क्लॉथ एंड पेपर्स ऑल्सो। Picture are made with fingers or bamboo brushes, hence the lack of fineness and subtle like Patla Kalam painting is visible. In Patna Kalam painting, we were using brushes made out of the tail of cow, pigs, and squirrels. So those tails used to be very soft. So that painting that was coming out of was very subtle. But here, since we are using finger and bamboo brushes, the pictures are not very vibrant as it was in the Patna Kalam painting. The high flight of folk imagination, deep emotional attachment to art and use of beautiful natural color in this painting provides special attraction. Women uses this style of painting at home to fulfill their cultural responsibility. Use of indigenous and self-made natural color is an important feature of this painting. Pictures are mainly related to marriage, festival and social norms. So very important. मैरिज फेस्टिवल एंड सोशल नॉर्म से रिलेटेड इसके पिक्चर्स होते थे। मिथिला पेंटिंग मोस्टली डिपिक्ट पीपल एंड देयर association with nature and scenes and deities from ancient epic such as Rama and Sita. Very important. If you can draw this Madhubani painting, where it was mainly in Mithilanchal, Darbhanga and all those places. Patna Kalam painting was merely situated near Patna region, and this Manjusa painting was at the eastern part of this Patna, and this in this region, basically Patna Kalam painting and Madhubani painting both are equally found. Current scenario में क्या क्या है? Important painter of Madhubani painting are सीता देवी, गंगा देवी, बुआ देवी, गोदावरी दत्ता, पद्मश्री जगदम्बा देवी, सत्यनारायण लाल, भारती दयाल, कुशवाहा देवी. So not necessarily you need to remember all these names. You can just remember Sita Devi, Ganga Devi, Baua Devi, Godavari Datta. Those 1, 2, 3, 4 names are enough. Nowadays it's got maximum popularity all across world. Recently many exhibitions of Madhubani painting are being organized. One of such exhibition of the painting of Shashikala Devi was organized in Japan. Very important. You can write this specific point key. The Madhubani painting made by Shashikala Devi. The exhibition of Madhubani painting made by Shashikala Devi was organized recently in Japan. The museum of Madhubani painting is also being constructed in Japan city. Very important. There is a museum being constructed to store the Madhubani paintings in Japan. Such kind of museum of Madhubani painting is not even constructed in India. Very important and very crisp point. In conclusion, we can write, although Madhubani painting trace its history from marriage of Sita. So the Madhubani painting का जो स्टार्ट होता है वो कंसिडर किया जाता है सीता जी की शादी के बाद. बट इट गॉट मैक्सिमम पॉपुलैरिटी इन रिसेंट टाइम. मधुबनी पेंटिंग इज ऑल्सो हेवली सिंक्ड विद डेली लाइफ फेस्टिवल इन मिथिलांचल. Mithila speaking population of Bihar, Nepal. Nowadays there is a good demand of clothes, specifically sari, printed with Madhubani painting on them. To promote Madhubani painting, Indian Railway and government of Bihar printed the Sampark Kranti Express जो है with Madhubani painting, and are planning to paint other trains as well, which are basically bound to Bihar. Indian Railway also painted the Madhubani painting station with Madhubani painting as well. Various stations were also painted using Madhubani painting. Indian Railway also painted Madhubani railway station. So the Madhubani railway station painting is painted with Madhubani painting. Now let's discuss about Manjusa painting. Manjusa painting क्या होता है, इसका क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन होता है? The main feature of Madhubani painting is Manjusa painting is only folk art of India in which the society is depicted sequally and in series. This picture is made during the folk festival Bihula Bihari Puja in Bhagalpur. याद रखना, बिहुला बिहारी पूजा कहाँ का फेस्टिवल है? तो भागलपुर का फेस्टिवल है. ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम दिस मंजूसा पेंटिंग इज बेसिकली मेड. मेनली पिक्चर ऑफ स्नेक गॉड आर मेड इन दिस. important. Manjusa painting is gift of lowest rung of society. Lowest rung of society का gift है. Mainly picture of snakes are made in this one. Special feature of this picture is that only a part of the face of a man and woman is shown in this. Part of the face is shown. Color use are green, yellow, red, etc. Generally, green color is obtained from bean leaves, red color from saffron flowers, and orange obtained from palas flower. Blue color obtained from indigo, and black color from paper. So very important, you can see the sensitivity towards nature that is being shown in Manjusa painting. They are not using artificial color and they are totally relying on the natural color. Painter of this style Vishwakarma Lohar, Mali and Chakravarti Devi, famous painters थे इस टाइम के, and her ancestors have special contribution in keeping Inca alive in the modern Bihar. Difference between Manjusa painting and Madhubani painting. Manjusa painting belong to Anga region of Bihar. Anga region of Bihar से belong करता है, whereas Madhubani painting belong to Mithila region of Bihar. Mainly 3 colors are used in Manjusa painting: red, green, yellow. Various colors are used in Madhubani painting. Basically, Madhubani painting is known only for its vibrant colors being used in the combination. But in the Manjusa painting, the main color being used are red, green, and yellow. This art is based on Bihula Bisari folk tale, whereas Madhubani painting is basically based on religious subject. Manjusa painting is very short. Manjusa painting is story based. Madhubani painting is design oriented. Use of border is essential in Madhubani Manjusa painting, whereas the use of border is optional in Madhubani painting. And that's it about Manjusa painting and Madhubani painting. Next topic we will be discussing something other. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.